Easy ways to save money. We all want to save money, and whether it's by denying yourself that $4 mocha latte once a week or putting off an exotic family vacation, everyone has their way to save. And no matter where you are on your financial journey, you need to know that anyone can turn their financial life around and start saving money. Sometimes all it takes is that first step in the right direction to get things moving in your favor. But as with most things in life, sometimes that very first step is the hardest part. That's why we created this list of 5 money-saving skills to help you monitor your spending habits today and cut down expenses. Brought to you by Brilliance TV. And just as you know, hit the red button below this video to subscribe and the bell button to get notified of our new videos. So, let's go save some money for the next vacation. Number 5. Eliminate your debt. If you're trying to save money through budgeting but still carry a large debt burden, start with the debt. Not convinced? Add up how much you spend servicing your debt each month, and you'll quickly see. Once you're free from paying interest on your debt, that money can easily be put into savings. Number 4. Set savings goals. One of the best ways to save money is by visualizing what you are saving for. If you need motivation, set saving targets along with a timeline to make it easier to save. Want to buy a house in the next 3 years with a 20% down payment? Now you have a target and know why you will need to save each month to achieve your goal. Number 3. Pay yourself first. George S. Clason in The Richest Man in Babylon suggests you save 10% of your income to invest by looking at your expenses and cut the unnecessary ones. And you'll see finding that 10% is easier than you think. Number 2. Cut your credit cards. If you have a habit of overspending with credit cards, hide your cards and keep them in a safe place in your home, not in your wallet. Keeping your card out of sight and out of mind might help reduce temptation while you're out. Already in trouble with bad credit? Rebuild your credit through slow, consistent spending on essentials. Number 1. Master the 30-day rule. Avoiding instant gratification is one of the most important rules of personal finance, and waiting 30 days to decide on a purchase is an excellent way to implement that rule. Quite often, after a month has passed, you'll find that the urge to buy has passed as well, and you'll have saved yourself some money simply by waiting. If you're on the fence about a purchase anyway, waiting a while can give you a better perspective on whether it's truly worth the money. And that's it on the list. If I've missed out any good ways to save money, do share your money-saving strategy in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Till we meet again, spend wisely, guys!